Hey everyone! Just got this delivered, the Pleco Pro Robotic Pool Cleaner. If you've ever wrestled with keeping a large pool clean, this little device could really change the game, so let's get it out and take a closer look. First up, you get the instruction manual. Then there's this hook attachment, which you'll use to easily pull the Pleco Pro out of the pool once it's finished cleaning. Under that, there's the power cord. And finally, the robot itself. Everything's packed tight and tidy so nothing's rattling around, and it all feels pretty straightforward. The Telosha Pleco Pro looks sleek and modern, with clean lines and a compact build that makes it easy to handle. It comes in two colors, black or grey, so you have a choice depending on your style or pool surrounds. The filtration system really stands out. One filter captures large debris, like leaves, twigs and hair with a 180 micron mesh, while a finer 35 ppi filter traps the ultra-fine particles that cloud pool water. This two-stage approach means your pool is left spotless, from the big stuff down to the tiny dirt. Picking it up, the Pleco Pro immediately feels solid and well made, with a noticeable weight that reassures you it's not flimsy or cheaply built. The plastic casing and overall construction feel tough and sturdy, with no rattles or loose parts when you handle it. All the materials seem chosen with durability in mind, giving real confidence that it's going to hold up well to regular pool use, bumps, and outdoor conditions. The Pleco Pro gives you plenty of flexibility with 7 cleaning modes to choose from, designed to fit just about any pool maintenance need. There's the standard floor cleaning mode, wall cleaning for tackling algae along pool walls, a combined floor and wall cleaning mode, plus a specific waterline cleaning mode to handle that tricky build-up at the surface where the water meets the tiles. It also includes an eco mode for lighter, energy-efficient cleaning when the pool just needs a quick refresh, and a turbo mode for those times when there's tougher grime and dirt to deal with. With 7 distinct options, you can easily match the cleaning mode to whatever your pool needs that day. Because this pool was tucked away in the Aussie bush, surrounded by big trees, it's always collecting a mix of sticks, leaves, and plenty of fine pollen. That means it really needs a cleaner that can handle a whole range of debris, from small twigs all the way down to that dusty layer of pollen that settles on the floor. The Pleco Pro handled the job with no trouble, picking up everything from bigger bits through to fine particles, so the pool stayed clean, even with all the bushland mess constantly dropping in. What's really clever about the Pleco Pro is its smart path planning technology. Instead of just moving randomly or in a simple back and forth, it actually maps out your pool using sensors and advanced algorithms. This mapping allows the robot to optimize its cleaning route, so it covers every inch of the pool efficiently without wasting any time or battery on redundant paths. It remembers where it's been and plans the most effective way to reach all areas, floor, walls, and waterline, ensuring a thorough clean while maximizing battery life. Speaking of battery, the Pleco Pro runs on a long-lasting 7,800 mAh high-capacity battery, which delivers an impressive cleaning time of up to 210 minutes on a single charge. This extended runtime is excellent for larger pools or when you're dealing with heavier debris, as it allows the cleaner to work thoroughly without needing frequent recharges. The Pleco Pro is equipped with a brushless motor, which is a significant upgrade over traditional brushed motors. Brushless motors operate without physical brushes, instead using permanent magnets and electronic controllers to manage movement. This design eliminates friction and wear, resulting in higher efficiency, quieter operation, and a much longer lifespan. Because there are fewer moving parts and no brushes to replace, brushless motors require less maintenance and are more reliable over time. For pool cleaners, this means the Pleco Pro runs smoothly and quietly, while delivering durable, consistent performance, making it a cost-effective choice in the long run. Outfitted with a powerful scrubbing brush, it rotates to dislodge algae, dirt, and stubborn grime, while the motor delivers impressive suction, up to 4,000 gallons per hour. Before it arrived, I was wondering how you get it out of the water being cordless. That's where the hook comes in. It attaches easily to my pool scoop pole, and then is simply used to hook onto the front of the machine, giving you a straightforward way to lift it out. The dual-layer filtration system works seamlessly to capture everything from chunky leaves to microscopic dirt particles. You can easily remove and rinse the filters for a quick clean, then simply drop it back in the pool to continue its job without missing a beat. The app connects to the Pleco Pro via Bluetooth, which is convenient but has its quirks. I found the app to be the only feature of this machine that was a little average. You need to select the cleaning settings before the robot goes into the pool, because the Bluetooth connection can easily be lost underwater. So, in practice, it was probably easier to select the program using the button on the machine itself, rather than relying on the app. Other than the app, I found the Pleco Pro to be a great pool cleaner, and being wireless made it really convenient for storage and setup. In short, if you want a powerful, smart, and efficient robotic pool cleaner that handles large pools with ease, the Pleco Pro is a fantastic choice. It combines advanced technology and thoughtful design for truly effective and convenient cleaning, making pool maintenance much simpler.